What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Veksun smartphone camera microphone kit. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £44.99 for it, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, there's no actual details on the box itself. They've supplied it within this hard case itself, and everything's within it. So right, we'll open it up and have a look what we get inside. So it's a pretty good idea to supply it in the case so we don't lose anything. So right guys, first of all we've got a dead cap for the microphone which they've supplied, and that simply just slots on onto the microphone. So this is to use outside in the wind, so basically this cuts out any wind noise. Next after that we've got the phone holder itself, which is made from a solid plastic and it feels really well built. Doesn't feel like a cheap phone holder, if you know what I mean. So to open it up you just simply pull it down and pull it up and it opens the slots up. So to fit the phone inside you just pull this apart and it'll fit inside it, and this will fit up to an iPhone 8 Plus, and I've fitted my phone in there with no issues or problems, and it will actually fit a phone bigger than that. And I've tested it out and everything, and there's no issues with it dropping the phone or nothing. So in my eyes this is one of the best phone holders I've seen so far. So on the top of it we get a cold shoe mount. So here you can fit the microphone which is supplied, or you can fit any type of microphones, or you can actually fit a camera light on top of that. It's down to your preference really. So on the bottom of it we've got a 1/4 inch thread, and that's there to connect the tripod to it, which I'll show you later. Apart from that, I can't tell you much else about it. It's got some silicone foam on the sides here and on the top there and on the back as well. You have got a 1/4 inch thread there as well, so you can connect things on the back of it as well. So right guys, that's the phone holder. Next after that we've got the 360-degree rotating tripod ball head, which fits on top of the tripod, which I'll show you again later, and can be fitted on any type of tripod really. So on the top of here, this is where the phone holder goes on, and to adjust it you just simply unscrew this from the side and then set it to wherever you want, and then tighten it up and lock it into place. And I was really impressed with this again. Once you set it into place it does not move at all. With the other tripods and stuff, what I've always experienced with the phone, you always get it to start sloping to the side because it's not strong enough to hold it. But this is absolutely solid, so well impressed with that. So right, what we need to do first of all is fit the phone holder on top of here, and you just put it onto the 1/4 inch threads like I said before and tighten that up. Don't tighten it up too much because if you can see there, the thread's coming through now and you don't want to damage your phone. So back it up until you can see that it's not going to touch your phone, like so. And then you've got this butterfly thread and you just want to tighten that up. And then that's it, it's locked into place then. So right, that's the phone holder and the adjustable rotating tripod ball head. After that we've got the microphone. So this is the microphone itself, and this can be used on any camera or a computer or a laptop or a smartphone. So right, we'll have a look and see what we get inside. This is work made by Veksun as well. Just get the microphone out. So they supply you with a battery and some wires and the microphone. So this is the microphone itself. You've got another cold shoe mount here on the bottom of it to connect to the phone holder. So this is the wire what you'd connect to the camera. So with this wire you can only connect cameras with this. Cameras, computers and laptops. That's what you can connect with this wire. It will not work with smartphones. They have supplied us with another wire here, and this is specifically for phones, and it says it on there as well. To use that, you just simply slot this inside here, and now you can use it on any smartphone. So that's the lead. Like I said, they supply a battery as well. So I'll just let you have a look around the microphone. So here you can turn it on and set the decibels as well. And there's not much else on the microphone itself. It does come with a foam cover, and you just simply slide that off, and that's what the microphone looks like. So that's what, if you were using this microphone outside, you'd get the dead cat and slide that on, and that would stop any wind noises. So this is mainly for internal use within the house or something. So right guys, that's the microphone. So to connect the microphone, you simply get the phone holder, slide it in the top, hold it in place where you want it. So you can set this in different places. You can set it to the front to yourself, or you can set it backwards, so you can tape somebody else, or you can have it fitted to the side actually. It's down to your preference really. So you simply just put it in and then tighten the threads up and lock it into place. So that's ready now. Next after that, we've got the tripod. So the tripod itself I really like. You can set it into 3 different positions. So I'll just quickly show you that. I'm just going to move that out of the way a little bit. So this is one setting where you can have it set. And then to change it, all you need to do is turn this. And that's the higher position. And then if you turn it once more, and that's a really low position. So I really love that feature on this tripod. I wish other people would, manufacturers would use that idea with other tripods. Very good idea. So that's a really low position. So that's the high position. And this is the normal position. Right, to fit it on, you can see that it's got some threads there at the top, and that simply screws onto a ball joint at the bottom here. So the tripod is made out of plastic itself. It feels really well built. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything. It has got some little rubber things at the bottom to help it not slip off or anything. Right, to simply connect that up, all you need to do is get the whole unit and just screw it on. And there you go. There's the whole setup together. It's a pretty small profile. It's really good actually. I'll just put it on its tripod. See if I can set it to its lowest position so I can get everything in. So right guys, there you go. If you can see that. I'm trying to think what else can I tell you about it. And like I said, I've not seen anything in this quality on the market yet. So right guys, I hope this helped somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.